It is me and Janisha here. You know, it's a topic that's going on all over today. You know, we just received some news that a young man by the name of Shakur just passed away. You know, people don't really understand how, you know, life is so short. People take it for granted every day. You know, something people should do is, you know, don't hold grudges, because when somebody go, then you're ready to cry and weep, you know, you had a grudge. And you know, anything you want to say?
Yes. First and foremost, yes, we do live in a short life, and it's such a shame and a pity of the nonsense that goes on, especially amongst the colored community. You never know when a loved one can leave from here. God comes like a thief in the night, and you never know. Just don't take it for granted, and tell everyone that you love them and sincerely mean it from the bottom of your heart, because like I said, it's just now the times that we're living in, it's hectic, it's crazy, and it's not right at all. Like the way how people go amongst problems, picking, teasing, bullying, all that nonsense needs to cut out. Judging, all of that needs to cut out. Like honestly, seriously, sincerely, it breaks my heart to see people my age, the older ones, and people younger than us, even you have the adults out here engaging in this nonsense. It's not even right. Like, you never know. But, like I said, just tell everybody you love them, and may that young man rest in peace, as well as Miss Merchant, and all the other loved ones that we have lost. Rest in peace.
Man, life is too short, you know. Definitely live your life to the fullest. I'm not saying that. Live your life to the fullest. But, you know, as Janisha said, may he rest in peace now. And to the family and to the friends, everybody, I'll keep your head up. You know, he in a better place. You know, nobody understands death. Nobody understands it. And you may not get answers now, but just look at it as if he was doing something he loved to do. You know what I mean? Like she said, rest in peace to all the loved ones that we have lost as a community in Long Beach together. Rest in peace to Miss Merchant. Rest in peace to Leo Van Jr. You know, it's so many. Rest in peace to Cuckoo. Rest in peace to Miss Carrie. Rest in peace to Miss Blanche. Rest in peace to everybody as a small community that we lost. Alright, Deuces Facebook. You know, stay up, like I said, to the fams and friends. Rest in peace. Rest easy, Shakur. One love.